The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or Ndrrmc, has received around 90 direct requests for rescue as of late afternoon due to the heavy flooding caused by Typhoon Ulysses. Ndrrmc spokesperson Mark Timbal said they have deployed over 300 teams, or equivalent to more than 1,000 rescue personnel, to help in rescuing residents who were trapped in their houses and stuck on the roof. Based on its initial tally, more than 53,000 families, or over 196,000 individuals, were evacuated preemptively. Assessment on the number of families affected by Ulysses and damages to infrastructure and agriculture is still ongoing. Meanwhile, the Ndrrmc confirms the reported death in Camarines Norte, while 1 suffered injuries and 4 went missing. Meanwhile, the Office of the Civil Defense denied that it was caught unprepared by the typhoon. The agency said they notified the regional disaster risk reduction and management offices as early as November 8, when Ulysses was still a tropical depression. OCD Assistant Secretary Casiano Monilla said they have learned the lesson from Ondoy in 2009. That is why better planning and coordination has been in place among government agencies.
Ang DILG natin keeps a tab on the compliances of these local governments, and with these events na nangyayari, I guess siguro we need to revisit, tingnan natin ano yung mga kailangan talaga ng mga decision points na hindi pa nagagawa to be able to prevent any occurrences na kagaya nito na naman, another emergency, maabot tayo sa ganitong sitwasyon wherein we are into saving lives.
However, Monilla admits that they might need to revisit the compliance of local government units and its promptness during disaster response.
We're not actually caught flat-footed dito sa sa event po na ito. Kung minsan lang po kasi ang pag nag-ikot ang ating mga local officials, ay hindi kaagad sumusunod ng mga kababayan natin. Kumbaga, mas nagre-rely tayo kung ano ang ating nararamdaman.
The OCD assures there are still enough funds to respond to areas hardly hit by the typhoon.